LESCO to dismiss officer, staff facilitating electricity thieves. Lahore Electric Supply Company Wednesday decided to immediately dismiss the officer, official and field staff found involved in facilitating electricity thieves by any means. LESCO Chief Executive Officer Engineer Shahid Haider chair a meeting here and prepare a comprehensive strategy for taking an effective and coordinated action against electricity thieves. Besides issuing category direction to all Circle SC, Chief Law Officer and Circle Legal Counsel. It has been decided in principle to immediately dismiss the officer and staff who facilitate electricity thieves. We have one point agenda that power thieves will not be spared in any case, even if the facilitator include LESCO employees. Cases will register against the official involved in electricity theft and LESCO officer and official involved in the power theft facilitation will also be dismissed from the job. It is all the CEO. Cameraman Mohammad Hassan beside Malik Mohammad Imran, Up Tak Time News.